now the tissues are beginning to feel much warmer. Let's have a little bit of oil back on there, shall we? All right. Now the tissues are feeling a bit warmer, we can go deeper. So I kind of like forearms often first, so little tip, put a bit of oil on first because otherwise it tends to pull. We get in here and we're now leaning, elbows underneath the shoulders.
Only forearms, you're not using elbow, yeah?
Oh, that's coming.
No, I mean right now. This
Right
is your
now,
forearm
so
only.
this is this surface here. So there, and I often
It
put
looks
the
like it's elbow.
I put the hand down the side of the quads just to give real stability to the move. And then I tip in slightly and I'm pulling slightly that way as well.
A lot of people have that very tense.
And I'll
that
tell you where
area.
people feel it a lot is around about here. That one. Nice? So it's a part of the hamstrings, medial hamstrings and the adductors where things get congested. You can stop there. You can do a little bit of move. Yeah.
I had a client once
Nice.
and he wanted me to massage just there for a whole hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just here. Like
Really?
this way up right up there. I was like,
What, here?
yeah, for the
No,
whole hour.
it's
He wanted that.
people that like work it out
So
like
that's
really
really
hard.
easy.
Workout guy, but he likes.
And
think he was
adductors
a
around the
bit
corner here. Okay, so forearms, straightforward. It's how we always do it. It's just controlled and elbow and shoulder in line. Lean in. I want to see legs looking like this. Yeah, and knees bending. None of this kind of stuff. We're in a power position.
If you're about
There.
to run, you're on a racetrack about to sprint.
Oh my
There.
god. That's your elbow, right?
That's
Still
forearm.
not. Okay.
Still on that surface.
Looks like.
So elbows, there's a difference. Comes here, and then we lean in. Just take the hand out as we go
Between.
up.
Between, yeah, between.
In between, yeah.
Yeah,
The hands.
How's it?
all the way up to the top.
So,
1 to 10.
11.
Sorry. So that's the hamstring just shifting there.
Now I can see how you do hamstring massage.
9.
There's a 9. Manageable though.
I can do 10.
Yeah. Can you do 11?
I can do 12.
I need it. I've got cellulite on the back of my leg.
Okay.
Having massages
It's very hard to kill me.
I could imagine. All right, so elbows you can see, and that's that surface there. We might want to stop though. So I noticed around about here, he's got congestion there. How's that feel?
Oh yeah, I feel the tension.
So I've just stopped
Tension, yeah.
and done a little bit of circular friction, like this.
Congestion way you feel what?
I feel actually,
Congestion.
Just it gets thicker and
Thicker.
more
Yeah.
solid like that. So this is reasonably fluid, and then suddenly it just feels a bit.
yeah.
And I can tell you when I'm here, so slowly but all the way through, that's a lot of depth.
Yeah,
I'm pinning the hamstring against the femur at the moment.
yeah. I can feel main concern. This area needs to be worked out.
Yeah.
It's very tense.
Okay. So.
Peter, what about if I stand